Hi guys, I just wanted to show you this Tatsoi. Now I've multi-seeded these. They're bloody gorgeous. As you can see, this is where they go into the hydroponics. I've just cut the roots off. They're still damp. I mean, you could take this home and get it into some water and that'll last ages. There you go, but look at the size of that. It's gorgeous. So you can see in the bottom here, well hopefully you can see in the bottom here that there's many different plants coming out of here, and I'm just going to cut them off because I'm going to eat them tonight. And in my understanding, well, my experience, so if you don't get all look at that. That's just one from that plant. You can see the bottom there. Yep. Okay, so let's put them out here. They grow beautifully like this. A little smaller one. Oh, where are we? 2. 3. 4. 5. Smaller one, 6. 7, 8. From multi-seeding, well actually 9, but obviously, I mean technically, and that's what's left. Oh, jeepers. So, a wonderful thing to grow. I've learnt now that multi-seeding for some of these plants are much better. There's a lot here. I'll just have to clean these up and go and eat them. So just showing you, you can get multiple out of one. And that one's gorgeous. Tatsoi. You know, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Hope you learned something.